Welcome to my channel. Well, today is my Sweetheart Valentine card open collaboration hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, Barbie Daily Real Life, R Gray House, Z9 Design. If there are any other participants, they'll be listed in the description box. Okay, I'm going to be using scrapbook paper that I ordered from Amazon. So here's a few of the pages. When I ordered this from Amazon, I just put in vintage Valentine scrapbook paper. Now this is my completed first one I did, and I'm going to be creating another one for you all to follow. I'm going to show you some of the supplies that I'll be using. I have these little hearts. Those were from the Dollar General. And just little cutouts. And then I just took construction paper and stickers. Now these stickers I actually ordered from Amazon as well. And I have some ribbon, this Rick Rack ribbon. It's pink in color. It's very pretty. And some tape. I found myself using Mod Podge glue instead of the tape. But I also am going to be using these keys that I ordered from Amazon and some stickers. These have little kitty cats and dogs. I thought they were really cute. Scissors, a hole punch. There's the Mod Podge. And Elmer's glue. Now, I have not done too many DIYs in the past. As a matter of fact, this is the second time I've ever tried to do a DIY. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut out this heart, half a heart. So I folded the construction paper in half. And then I'm going to cut out the half heart here. And I just used a white pen so it would show up. I found making these Valentine cards very fun. I have 6 grandchildren, so I'm going to be making one for each of them. Although I'm not going to show you all 6 of them, I'm just going to show you the one here. Okay, so there's the heart shape. Okay, now I'm going to add this really pretty scrapbook paper to the top of the construction paper. So I'm just going to be gluing that. I've already cut it to fit in the middle. Okay, now I'm going to cut out this little girl angel because I want to put her at one end of the heart where I still need to cover. And as you can see, I've already poured the decoupage in this cup, and I have a big brush. I'm sure that there's other ways of doing this, but like I said, I'm new at this. Okay, so I just place the little girl on the end, and I'm going to cut it after it's been glued to fit. So see, that side of it is finished. Now to the other side. Okay, now I'm going to add a little more scrapbook paper to the other side using the big old paintbrush. Okay, and I found this with the little bell. I thought that looked cute. So I've got a little girl and a bell with, I think it's a little boy. Yeah, so I thought that would look good together. So I glued it, and now I will cut it to fit. So that's looking pretty good so far, don't you think? Now I will be embellishing it. Now I found this hand that's holding a rose. I want to cut just that part of it out. And I'm just going to place it right there in the middle. And it's looking similar to the one that I had already created. So I'm going to add a little more glue with my big paintbrush. Now I'm going to add this Happy Valentine's Day sticker right there at the end of the hand. So it looks like she's holding the sticker instead of the rose. And I'm doing the same to the other heart. And then I will be adding this pink mesh ribbon to hang it from. And so here is another little sticker that I added that says Happy Valentine's Day. So I've got two of them almost exactly alike. Now I'll use the hole punch to punch out a hole to add the ribbon to. Even using a hole punch can be a little tricky. Okay, now the ribbon has been added. Next, I'm going to take these keys and add it to both of the hearts. Again, I'm going to use Mod Podge. I just feel like it'll hold it better than tape. So I'm just going to press it down and hold for a second. And I'll do the same to the other heart. The keys I ordered from Amazon. I've actually had those for quite a while. I had ordered them initially to go with the Alice in Wonderland decorations. Now this will complete the first Valentine card that I created with the key. Now I'm going to show you here in a moment the rest of the cards that I made for my 6 grandchildren. Now here is all the Valentine cards I created. So here's the one that I showed you with the key. And then here's the with the rickety rack ribbon, the little hearts, the Be Mine, and with the little kitty cat stickers. So here's a look at all the cards I've created. This was so much fun. I really enjoyed making these, so I just kept going. Now these little marshmallow bears, aren't they adorable? Dollar General for those. And I have the little York peppermint patties and whatever those are called, the little fun dips. So I have an assortment of candy that I'm going to be putting inside some of the Valentine cards. Like right here, I've opened this one up, and I'm going to just use a little bit of hot glue to attach the candy to the inside of the card. Just a tiny little bit. So there we go. So I added a key to that one as well, and then had a York peppermint patty inside. I know my granddaughter's going to love that one. And then this one, I think I'm going to add the marshmallow bear to the heart-shaped ones that I just made for you. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope that this gave you some inspiration on how to create a Valentine card. Thanks for watching.